This is the certificate of the elected senator. I, the county returning officer, hereby declare that Agnes Kavindu Muthama of ID number 160-84-92-3 has been duly elected as Senator for Machakos County in the election held on 18th day of March 20.
First of all, I want to thank the Almighty God for His favor, His grace, and His love. I also want to thank the people of Machakos. They've shown their love to me and to the Wiper Party. I also want to thank the Wiper fraternity for the unity they've shown me and support. I want to thank IEBC also for the fair and credible election that they've conducted this time. I want to thank the Wiper Party leader, His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, for the support that he has given me. And I also want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, for his support and even allowing me to move from Jubilee to Wiper to come and vie for this. And I assure him that we'll work according to his instructions and we'll support him fully until he finishes his term. And I want to say that according to what Kamba community has shown to His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, I know if he will be given the ticket to run as a president of this nation, he will deliver it very early in the morning in 2022. And my full support will be there. And as I've campaigned for myself, I will campaign for him. I will move around the whole of Kenya. I will unite the church behind it. And the church has shown the full support that they have shown me. Church, I take this opportunity to thank you for your support. And I pray that you will continue supporting this nation, because you can never separate church and the president as in leadership, because even presidents go to the leaders of the church to seek the will of God. And I pray and ask you, church, to stand and support even the current president now, and support him until he delivers what he's supposed to deliver. I want to call upon my opponents to join me to come and we serve the people of Machakos. I will work with you in unity. I also request Mutua, or ask him to cooperate with me as I oversight the Machakos County. When I am doing the work of a senator of oversight, Mutua, Governor of Machakos, I respect you. I want you to cooperate so that we can deliver to the people of Machakos. Thank you very much, people of Machakos, for electing me. I promise to deliver. I will work. And those who are saying that I'm not able, watch and see. Because it is not by mighty, neither is it by power, but by the Spirit of the living God. May God help me to deliver to the people of Machakos. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you.